Hello guys, it is Shivam here. Welcome to the last part of travel app from the scratch with the help of Flutter and Firebase. So on this course, we are going to simply cover user authentication, showing a top tourist destination, managing a traveler's post and many more. So do not forget to hit that like button and let's keep the like aim on this video of 500 likes. I know you will definitely do that, and also hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of the upcoming videos we upload on this channel. Now let's get started. So before moving to the code, I will simply show you how our travel app will look alike at the end of this course and what all features we are going to simply cover on this course. So here you can see that this is the sign up page, and here if the user already have an account, then they can click to this signing text and can move to the login page. So this is our login page and this is our sign up page. Now you can know that we are going to use a mail authentication by using a Firebase. So first I'm going to authenticate with the help of mail and then we'll directly move to the home page. So first I'm going to use a name. I'll write Ayush Gupta. Yeah. Now I will just use a random email to simply sign up in the app. Yeah. Now the password, and here I'll simply click to this sign up button and will directly move to the home page. Yeah, so here you can see that we have registered successfully and directly move to the home page. So our mail authentication is working brilliantly, and here you can see that we have landed to the home page, and I have simply kept the app name, which is a travelers and a travel community app. So the reason behind creating this app is that so different travelers who visit a different tourist place can simply add the image of all the places that they have visited on this app, and that post will be directly shown to all the users in the home page, as you can see here. Yeah, so this is the main idea of making this app for a different travelers can simply engage on this app and can know more about a different tourist place where they can simply visit. Right now here you can see that there is a add post button, and this button will simply help the user to add a post, and that post will be shown in the home page with a profile image, and this is a top places button. I know that I'm telling top places button, but I'll show you what the top places button will do here. And just below the our app name there is a search bar which simply says search your destination. Now in this search your destination search bar, the user can simply search for the specific destination that they are looking for, like they can search for New York, Mexico, Bali, Thailand, Indonesia. Now just below the search bar you can see that a different post that have been posted by the user will be shown here with a user image that have posted this post with their name, the place that they have visited, and here I have also shown the location of the place that they have visited. Now the reason behind the showing the location, as you know that if I will simply show the image and I don't show the location, then the other travelers can't know that which exactly this place is. So that's why I'm going to show the location on this app, and here I have simply given an option to add a caption for this place that they have visited. So this is an awesome place that you must visit. So this is a caption that have been added by the traveler, and here you can see that the other user can simply show the engagement by hitting the like and adding a comment. So here when I'll simply hit the like, you can see that the color of the heart will simply change to indicate that the user have simply liked to this post, and they can also like to other posts too. And here if they want to simply add a comment, they'll click to this, and here you can see that all the comment that have been commented by a different users. Now here I'll just write like yeah, something like this, and will simply add the comment, and that comment will be shown here. Yeah, so this is how the different users can show the engagement by hitting that like and adding a comment. Now let's move, and here I'll show you about a add post section. And in the add post section you can see that the traveler can simply add an image, and that image will be simply picked from their phone gallery. Now here I need to add a place name, so I'll just write waterfall, and here I need to add a city name, so I'll just write New York, and a caption, so I'll just write place you must visit. Yeah, so this is a caption that I'm just adding for this post. Now I'll simply click to this post button. So here you can see that post has been uploaded successfully. Text we get here. Now let's move back to the home page, and in the home page you will see that this is the post that I have just added now, and other post you can also see that. So this is how the user can simply post, and that post will be shown in the home page. Yeah, now let's move to the top places section, and when I will simply click to this graphics, then here you can see that this is a top places. By top places I mean to say that a top tourist place where most of the tourists visit every year. So here you can see that I have added Dubai, India, Mexico, France, New York, Bali. So these are the top tourist place. Now the reason for showing the top tourist place over here, so for an example, if the user want to know like what all famous tourist place are there in Dubai, so he will simply click to the Dubai, and they can simply get all the posts related to Dubai. Yeah, now I will simply click to Mexico over here, and this is a top tourist place, and it is also one of the 7 wonders of the world. As you know that here the different travelers can simply visit. So the reason behind adding this section is that, yeah, so if we are making a travel app, then we need to simply cover all the basic thing for the travelers, so that they can simply engage in the app and can use the app to simply know about more tourist places. Now here you can see that there is a search bar, and for an example, if there is not any place that simply showed in the top places section, they can use a search bar also. For just now I will just write a Mexico over here, and it will simply show the Mexico, and when I click to this, and will directly move to the Mexico section. And so here you can see the all the top tourist places in the Mexico that tourists can visit. So this was the basic, or you can say advanced idea of making this travel app, and this is the complete app that we are going to simply make it from the scratch. Now let's get started. In our last part I have simply shown you how to simply like add a mail authentication in our login and sign up page, and I have also made one more page, as you know that, which is a add page UI. So in our today's video we are going to simply add a post in our travelers app, and we are going to simply show that post in the home page. Now if you haven't followed the any of this part of this awesome travelers app series, or you can say travel app series, then I will simply paste a complete playlist link in the comment box. You can simply follow it from there and can be a part of this awesome series that we are going to simply making this awesome app from the scratch. Now let's get started, and here I will simply click to this add post button, and will directly move to the add post page. And here now I'm going to simply add all the backend that we need to simply add our first post in this travel app. Right now here let's move to the add page.dart, and first, as you know that the user going to simply pick the image from the phone gallery, and that image will be simply shown over here. So we have already used an image picker package before, and that image picker package will be used now in this file. So here I'll just write a final, and we'll just write a image picker, so that we can simply pick the image, and we'll just write image picker is equals to image picker. Yeah, something like this. Now once you have written this, now we need to just write a file, and here I'll create one file name which is selected image, and here I'm going to simply store all the file that we are going to simply pick from our phone gallery. Right now once we have done this thing, now let's write a get image function. Now the get image function will be called when the user will tap to this camera icon. So for that I just need to write a future get image. Yeah, now I just might need to write a sync, and we'll just write var image is equals to, and we'll write await, and we'll pass picker to pick the image. So I'll just write pick image, and the source I'll just allow the source to pick the image from gallery. So I'll use image source dot gallery. Now we just need to pass a selected image equals to file, and we'll just pass image dot path. Yeah, something like this. Now once we have simply passed this, we can simply pass a set state over here. Yeah, so this is our get image function that will simply help us to pick the image from our phone gallery. Now there is one main thing that I want to simply tell you, that when you are adding a image picker to pick the image from the phone gallery, then you need to add some of the necessary permission in the iOS device. There is no necessary permission that you need to add for the Android device, because that's like Android tell you that you can simply pick the image from the phone gallery, you don't need any permissions. But Apple tell that the user need to simply like the developer, not a user, the developer need to simply pass some of the permissions so that the user can simply allow the app get an image from the phone gallery. So we need to add some of the permissions in our info.plist file so that we can pick the image. Yeah, so what will be the necessary permission? Let me show you. Yeah, so here you can see that I have added some of the necessary permission in info.plist file. So you can move to the iOS folder, then the runner, then info.plist file, and you can add this three necessary permission to simply use all the things that we are going to simply use in the app. This is just for the iOS device that I've told you now. Now let's move back to our add page.dart, and here as you can see that there are some necessary text field where the user have to enter the details. So to handle the text, you already know that we need to use a text editing controller. So I'll write text editing controller, and first it is a place name. So I'll write place name controller equals to new text editing controller. Yeah, now we need to pass same for the city name and the caption. So for the city name, I'll just replace place to city, and here I'll just replace place name to caption, something like this. Now I can simply need to pass all the controller in the necessary text field. So for that I just need to write a controller, and here I just need to write a place name controller, and same for the which one, the city name controller and the caption controller, and we can simply pass a caption controller, something like this. Now we can simply write a text and can use that text. Now once the user have simply filled this complete form, like here one thing I'm going to do, that here first when the user will tap to the post button, we are going to simply like move the image to the Firebase storage. Like first we need to simply store the image in the Firebase storage, and that storage image will be in the form of the link, and that link we can simply store in the Cloud Firestore, and then we can use that image. So this will be the complete process to how to handle the image. Now here first I'm going to simply do one thing. I need to wrap up our button post button with a gesture detector, and in the onTap method I need to just pass a necessary command to upload the image. So here first I'm going to pass like if selected image should not be equals to null. This means that the image should be picked from the phone gallery, right? Now here I wrote a selected image, but we need to also pass a selected image over here. So if the selected image is not equals to null, I mean that if the image is already picked from a gallery, then we need to simply show the image over here. So for that I'll use image.file, and here just will need to pass a selected image, something like this. Yeah, now here you can simply pass the height and width to the image, something like this, and you can simply do one more thing. You can use a fit box fit dot cover. Now once we have done this thing, we need to simply wrap up our image file with a clip react widget so that I can simply provide a border radius. So we'll write border radius dot circular, and let's pass 10 over here, and we need to also pass a center widget. Yeah, so these were all the necessary command. Now once we have shown the image, and if the image has been picked, we need to simply check that if all these text field are filled or not. So for that I'll just need to write like place name controller.text should not be equals to space, and like city name controller.text should not be equals to space, and caption controller.text should not be equals to space. Yeah, something like this. Now once you have written this, now we can simply upload the image. Now for that I just need to write a string add id, and here I'm going to use a random alphanumeric 10. As you know that we need to simply provide a unique id to the each image that we are going to simply upload here, not in the Firebase storage. Now the Firebase storage I have used many times before in most of the series. I think so in all the series we are uploading the image, so I have used many times before. I think so you don't have any problem, but if you are new, then I'll simply explain you why I'm using that. So I'll just write a reference, and in the reference I just need to write a Firebase storage ref is equals to, and we'll write Firebase storage dot, and here we'll pass instance dot ref, and here I'm going to simply create one folder name where I'm going to simply store all the image. So here let me show you, because I have my Firebase ID in which the Firebase storage is enabled. So I'm going to use that ID to show you how to upload a image to the Firebase storage, right? So let's move to the Firebase, and in the storage section, make sure that you need to simply go to the rules, and here in the rules you need to simply change from false to true. Yeah, so it's simply loading, so it's simply changed from false to true to upload this. Now here you can see the chat app, but don't need to worry, as I've told you that this is my Firebase account. As you know that Firebase storage is not free, so this is my account where the Firebase storage has been enabled. So that's why I'm going to use this account to simply connect it with my Travelers app, right? So if you haven't followed our chat app, then you know that I've already uploaded a complete series on the chat app where we have added lots of things regarding a Firebase storage. Now here you can see that it will simply create this type of folder, blog images, and here it going to upload one image after the another. Yeah, so that's why I simply written blog image over here, and we need to just write a child and a add id, something like this. Now once you have written all this thing, we just need to write a final, and we'll just need to write upload task equals to Firebase storage, and we need to write just this function, which is Firebase storage. Why it's not appearing? So I need to copy, and we'll simply paste it something over here, dot put file, and put file will simply help us to get the file that we have stored from the selected image. And once we have done all this thing, now we can simply get a download URL. So we'll write var download URL. As I've told you that the image will be in the form of the link once it is uploaded to the Firebase storage. So that's why I'm writing a download URL over here, and we just need to write await. So for that I just need to pass an async over here. I just need to write an async, not over here. We just need to write over here async await, and we need to write await task dot ref dot get download URL. Now here I just need to create a map and string dynamic. Yeah, now if you followed the last part, then you know the use of map, and we just need to write add post here, which is our map name. And first I'm going to simply upload the image, so I'll just write image, and here I'll just write the download URL that we have. Now once we have uploaded the image, we can simply pass a place name. So I'll just write a place name, and we'll write place name controller.text, and we need to do same for the city name. So I'll write city name, and we just need to pass city name controller.text, and same for the caption. So we'll just write caption, and here the caption will be caption controller.text, something like this. Now once you have done all this thing, now here let's move to the home page, because I need to show you something. Like here you can see the image. So we have an image. So here we have a place name, which is Taj Mahal, Agra. City name, Agra, India. Caption, we have this caption. Now here you can see that there is also an option, not an option. Here you can see that there is a user image and the username. So we haven't have a username and an image. Now there will be the use of like a shared preference that we have used. So here I'll just use a string name and image. So now we are going to simply get a data locally by using a shared preference. So I'll just write get the shared pref, which is our what function name, and here I just need to pass a sync name is equals to await shared preference helper dot get display name, something like this. Now here you can simply get an image, so I'll write image await shared preference helper dot get user image, something like this. Now we can simply pass a set state over here, and here in the init state let's simply call get the shared pref, yeah, something like this. Now once you have done all this thing, here here we need to simply pass the name and the image of the user. So for that I just need to write like a username, something like this. You can pass a username, and here I just need to pass his name. So for the name I just need to I just need to write a name and a user image, something like this. User image, yeah, we need to write a user image, and here I just need to pass an image, yeah. So once you have done all this thing, now we need to simply upload a post to the specific user ID, or you can simply pass in all the post section also, it's not necessary, yeah. So here I need to do one thing. We need to like copy this one function, and we need to simply paste it something over here. We need to just change our function name, which is add post, and here I'll just write a collection which is a post, and this is a specific doc id and a set method. Right now here I can move to the add page, and here I'll just need to write await database methods dot, and we'll write add post and our map name which is add post, and here I need to pass a specific doc id which is add id. Now once the post has been uploaded, we need to simply show the toast message, or you can say the message that we have simply shown. The message will be what it will be, let me show you, yeah, here it is. We need to copy this, we'll simply paste it something over here, and here I'll just show the green light, yeah, you know, green light, red light. So here I'll show the green light, what it will be like, post has been uploaded successfully, yeah, successfully, something like this. I hope that spelling is correct, if not then sorry, yeah. So post has been uploaded successfully, yeah, something like this. Now we need to just show this toast message once the post has been uploaded. Now let's check that what it going to happen, but for now I think so hot restart will work over here, or we need to simply restart the app again. Let me test it. I hope it should work or not. Yeah, so we haven't passed a get image call over here, so that I'm not getting anything. I just need to wrap up with a widget, not over here, to the container, and in the gesture detector I just need to call a get image function. So I'll just write a get image function, something like this. Now let's hot restart it again. We'll tap to the which one, this icon, it's crashed. Now the reason for the crash, you know that because we have added some necessary permission, and I'm using iOS device. I think so you won't face any problem in the Android device. So in the iOS device, when you added a necessary permission, you need to simply close and restart the app again. So let me do all this thing and then restart the app completely, yeah. So I have rerun the app again. Now let's test the get image function. So I click to this camera icon, and here you can see that it asks a necessary permission that I've told you. So here I will just allow and select a photos from my phone gallery. So let's upload this image over there. So now you will see this image, yeah. So this is the image that I'm going to simply upload. Now what should I write? A place name, just like write a waterfall over here. I don't know exact place name, so I'll just write waterfall. City, let's pass New York. Oh, I think so there is like we pass a same controller to handle that. So what we have done over here, both the place we have passed a caption controller, we just need to pass a city name controller over here. Now just for the city, I'm just writing New York over here. And the caption you can write like this is a awesome place that you must visit. You must visit. Yeah. Yeah. Now here comes our main thing. Now click to this post button and let's see what happens over here. Yeah, so post has been uploaded successfully and we have successfully seen a green light. Now let's see to the Firebase like what all data has been uploaded to the Firebase. So here we'll simply refresh this page and here you can see the post collection that I've told you. So here you will going to see a post collection. Yeah, here you can see this is a specific doc ID and this is you can see the caption that I've just added, a city name, now the image, and I'm going to simply open this image in my thing. So here you will simply can see the image is loading. So here you can see the place name, which is waterfall, the user image, and a Shivam, that the username who have added this image. Yeah, so I think so let's simply open the link over here. Yeah, so here you can see that this is the image that we have successfully added from our emulator. So all the things are working brilliantly and we can successfully add an image and everything. So our post page is done and we can successfully add a post in our travel app. Now let's move back to the home page, and here in the home page you can see that there is all the posts that have been shown over here. Yeah, here in the home page we are going to show all the posts that we have simply uploaded in the Firebase. Now to get a post I need to use a stream builder. Now you know the use of stream builder. Now here first I'm going to simply write a stream, and first I'm going to just write a stream, and which is a stream, and here I'm going to write a stream which is a post stream. And now I'm going to simply create one function, and that function which will be a all post, and here I just need to simply write async, not an async, sorry for that. We just need to write a return, and here I just need to write a stream builder, and in the stream builder now here I just need to write a context async snapshot. So the stream builder is something that you can simply use like if you want to get all the documents from a respective collection. So the best choice is a stream builder that frequently highlight the thing if you want to simply make any changes, like if you want to delete a data or specific like if you want to delete a specific document from any collection, the stream builder will highlight that in the app in just few seconds. So that's why I refer you to use a stream builder when you need to simply call some of the documents from a Firebase. Right now here I just need to write a sync snapshot, and here I just need to write something like this, and here I just need to return, and we'll just pass if snapshot has data. Like we need to simply check that if the respective collection like post collection has the data or not. So if it has a data, then we'll need to simply show that by using a list view builder, and if not, then we'll just show the container. Right, so here I'll use dot has data and we'll just pass list view dot builder, and in the item builder I just need to pass in context index, and here if we don't have any data we just need to show a container, something like this. And once we have done this thing, we can simply pass an item count, which is snapshot dot data. So it will item count will simply keep a count like how much document present in that respective collection that you want to call. So data dot docs dot length, something like this length. Yeah, so this is it, and this is item count. Now once we have shown this thing, I need to just pass padding edge inset dot 0. I don't need any unknowing space. I just need to write a scroll direction. I don't think so because it is like axis.vertical, and I just need to pass a sync wrap, and we just need to pass true. And here in the document snapshot, I'll just need to write document snapshot ds is equals to snapshot dot data dot docs, and here I'm going to just pass an index, something like this. Now I just need to pass a return, and here I'm going to simply, I think so I haven't passed a stream over here, so don't forget to pass a stream. It is much important thing. So I just need to write a stream, which is a post stream, and in the return I'm going to simply show this that we have just made for the UI. Yeah, so we'll copy this complete container from here, and we'll simply cut it from here, and we'll simply paste it something over here. Yeah, now once you have done this thing, we can simply get a data. So to get a data, first we need to write a function that will simply help us to get a data, right? So the data we are going to get is through the help of snapshot. So let's move to the database.dart file, and here I'm going to just write a future, and in the future I just need to pass a stream because we have used a stream builder, and here I just need to write query snapshot, and we need to just write a function name which is get posts, something like this. Just need to write async await, for that just return await Firebase firestore dot instance dot collection, and in the collection we need to simply pass a post collection. So we'll paste it something over here dot, and here I just use dot snapshot function. Yeah, as I've told you the use of snapshot, I think so you can remind. Now here we'll move to the home page back again, and here I will just write one function name which is get on the load, and here I'll just need to pass an async post stream equals to await database methods dot get post, something like this, and we'll simply pass a set state, and in the init state I'll just pass get on the load function. Yeah, something like this. So once we have done all this thing, now we can successfully get all the details from the field we have added. So here you can see that image.network, because our image is in the form the link, and we just need to write ds, and what is the, so this is the image, so copy this, simply paste it over here. Now make sure that when you are copying a field from here and pasting it over here, then it should be exact. Like you don't give like a space, something like this, or in place of capital I you'll write small I, then you'll simply can't get the exact field from there, and it will simply throw the error. So make sure that it should be exact, right? As I've told you, it should be exact, but here you can see that we need to pass a user image, not this image, and here we just need to pass the user name, so which is this name. So we'll copy this, we'll paste it something over here, and here we'll pass image.network, and we'll pass ds, and we need to get an image again, so we'll copy this image, we'll paste it something over here. Here we need to pass a location and a city name. So here I'll do one thing, we'll write ds. First I'm going to simply show the place name, something like this, then I will use a comma, so for that I'll pass something like this, and we'll again use plus ds, and then a location. So for the location I'll use a city name, and we'll pass city name. Now here I just need to pass like ds, and in the ds I need to pass a caption. So the caption is this caption, so we'll copy this, we'll simply paste it over here. Now like and comment I'm going to add, so don't need to worry about that. And let's call all the post function over here, over here. Yeah, all the post function over here, something like this. Now simply hot restart the app, and let's see the result. Yeah, so here it is, and here you can see the image, the user picture, his name, waterfall, New York, and this is a caption that we have added. Yeah, I think so it looks good. and this is how we can simply show the our first post in our travelers app. Yeah, I hope it is okay. Now we can pass some space over here. Yeah, so waterfall New York, and this is awesome that you must visit. Sorry, this is awesome place that you must visit. So I just miss a awesome place. Sorry for that. Yeah, yeah. So this is a awesome place that you must visit. Yeah. So this is how we can simply add a post in our travelers app, and that post will be directly shown in the our home page. Now let's move, and if the user are simply scrolling this and they simply see this post and they want to simply like the post and show the engagement, so we can simply use the like button over here. Now I hope that you have also hit that like button in our video too. If not, then hit that like button. I'm going to show how to add a like button in a post. So show your support by hitting that like button. Now once you have tapped that like button, now I'll show you how we can use a like button on this post. Yeah, so here what I'm going to do that, like for an example, let's think that there are two users, Ayush and Shivam. Yeah, now the Ayush are simply scrolling the app and he simply hit that like button, and we simply change the color of an this heart to red to indicate that the like has been done. Yeah, now Shivam is scrolling the app and he simply hit that like button also on this post. Now the two users have simply hit that like button. Now the Ayush simply opens the app again and he simply sees the post again. Like if he hit that like button before, then we simply show that yes, he hit that like button. So the color of this heart will be already red. We don't need to simply show in this form. I hope it is clear what I'm trying to tell. Yeah. Now to handle this text case, not a text, a case, we need to use a array over here to simply track like which user have hit that button or not. Yeah. So for that, I just need to move to the post, and in the post where we have added a post, we need to just add one more thing, which is a like, and in the like we'll keep on tracking like which all users have hit that like button. Yeah, so that we can simply show the color red over here once the user hit that like button. Like he don't need to simply press the like button again and again. Once he have pressed, then it is pressed. And now to add the our username, when we simply hit that like button to that array, here I'm going to simply move to the database.dart file, and here I'm going to simply create a future add like, and here I'm going to simply pass a string id because we need to simply keep a track like which post I have liked. So that's why I'm going to pass a id to keep a track of that post. Yeah, and we need to also pass a username like which user has simply liked that post. So I'll just pass a username, or you can pass a user id rather than a username, because there would be a chance like there will be a two-person with the same name, like Shivam Gupta will be the first user and same name can have with a second user, so two-person can have the same name, right? Because in this world 7 persons are almost same, you know that this is a fact. Yeah, so I'll just write async, and here we just need to write return await, and we need to just write Firebase firestore dot instance dot collection, and here I need to simply pass a collection name which is a post. So I'll just write a post over here, and here we'll write dot, and I'll just write doc id to move to the specific id dot, and here I'll just write like update, and in the update method I'll just pass array union. Sorry, first I need to pass our field name which is like, and I'll just write union, sorry, field value dot array union, and it will simply add the my id to that array. Yeah, so this is the function to add a id to that array. So here I'll pass user id, and it simply says that we can't pass this because it is a list, so that's why we need to simply pass that in a square bracket. So I'll just use a square bracket something over here like this. Now once we have done all this thing, we can use like this. So this is the function. I know that this is a new function, I haven't taught this before on my channel. So this is a function when you are adding an array, when and you want to simply add some strings on that same array, you can use field value dot array union, and it will simply add the specific id to that array. Now let me show you what I'm telling about. So here I'll just create one more array. So here I will use a array, and our field name is like, which is this like. And here I'll just, for example, let's add some random username and just create this. So this is a like field, you can say, and this is an array. Now I'll simply show you when I'll press to this like button what it going to happen. So this is an interesting thing, you will see that how it going to work over here. Yeah, now here once I simply like wait a second, if the ds like dot contain my user id, so for that I need to get my user id first by using a shared preference. So why to write a shared preference again. So copy this, simply paste it something over here, and we need to just write our id. And here I'll write id is equals to await shared preference helper dot get user id, something like this. Now once you have written this thing, I will refer that use await, and will simply call get the set pref over here. And here I'll just pass that if there is my id present on this like array. So I'll write that if dot contain will simply check that if it has my array or not. So I think so contains or contain, I am confused between contain or contains what it is. So let me check that what is exactly it is a contain or contains. It is contains, not contain. And once we have simply matched the id, we'll need to simply show the icon, and the icon will be like icon, and the icons dot favorite, and the color will be simply colors dot red. Yeah, something like this. I hope it is clear. Now once I tap to that like button, I just need to add my name over there. So I'll just pass on tap, and we'll simply call the function that we have written. So let async await database methods dot add like, and here I'm going to simply pass ds.id and my id, which is id. Yeah, something like this. So here it is done. Now I'll simply hot restart the app here again, and here I can simply see the first post. Now I'll simply click to this like button, and let's see what happened over here. But for that I just need to also pass a set state over here, something like this. Now I'll simply click to this, and here you can see that it simply changed the color of an heart from like it was an outline, and it is filled with a red color to indicate that I have simply hit that like button. Yeah, so this is how you can simply show the like button, and if you want you can increase a size up to 30. Yeah, so now let's move to the Firebase, and let's see what happened over there. So in the like you can see that it simply add my username, not a username, my user id. And now when I'll simply hard restart the app again, the image, the post will already show that I have hit that like button, and it won't reset to the, yeah, so it already shows that I've hit that like button to this post. So that's why I've simply used a like array over here. So this will simply make the app like more user friendly. Now you need to simply think about all the aspect and make this app like, you can't simply like show the like button once, and once the user simply relaunch the app the like is gone. So it is not going to work like this. When you are making app, then simply make the app with all the aspects. I hope it is clear. Yeah, now let's move, and once we have done a like button, then we'll simply move to our comment. And here in the comment, when the user who is seeing the post and want to simply comment about this post that the traveler has done, and the traveler can simply check all the comments that they have got. Then to handle that, I need to simply create one comment section over here. So let's move to the pages folder and we'll simply create a new file name, which is comment.dart. And here first I'm going to import the package by using material.dart, and we'll write a stateful widget name, which will be simply a comment. Yeah. Now once we have done all this thing, we can simply pass a scaffold, body, container, child, and a column. Yeah, and a children. Yeah, so once we have done this thing, now I can do one thing. Like here, what I'm planning is this. First I'm going to simply show the headline of the page that we are going to handle. So let's move to the head page, and I'm going to simply add all the things like a padding and all, and we'll simply paste it something over here. And here I'll just rename to like comment page, comment, add comment. We can use add comment, I guess it's okay. Yeah, add comment. Now let's move to the page so that I can show you what all code I'm writing in this page. So I'll just move to the comment page from here, and here you can see the add comment page. Now I need to decrease font size because it's too big, and here I just pass like 3, 5, 7. Yeah, it's okay, it's on the complete center. Now again the circular thing, you know that. So to show that circular thing, I mean the circular container, we need to use the expanded widget, copy it up to here. Now I'm going to simply paste it something over here, over here. Yeah, now we need to use brackets and all to simply do that case. I think so it is too much. Yeah, it's okay. Now I can simply pass a children. Now once we have passed a children, we can pass enough space. So I'll push a size box height. Let's pass 40.0, something like this. I hope it is okay, or we can pass up to 30. Yeah, so once we have done this thing, now here what I'm going to do is that first I'm going to show all the comments over here and a text field so that the user can simply add a comment. So first I'm going to simply write, like first create a UI of this comment page. Then I'll show you how to add a comment and show that comment in this page. Yeah. So for that I just need to simply create a container over here, and in the child I'll just pass a row, a children, and first I'm going to show the user image. So for that I'll use image.asset, and we'll just pass images, which is boy.jpg, and I'll pass the height. Let's pass the height 50, width 50, and a fit box fit.cover. Yeah, so now you are going to simply see that image, which is this image. Yeah, now first I'm going to simply use a clip react so that I can provide a border radius to this image. So I'll use a clip react border radius dot circular, and we'll simply pass a 30 over here. So this is the image. I can increase the height and width of an image. I think so 90 will be too much. Yeah, it's too much. Let's pass up to 80, and we can do up to 60. I think so 80 is also too much. Let's pass 70, I guess. Yeah, it is okay. Now once we have shown the user image that have add a comment to that post, then we need to simply show his name and the comment that he have posted. Yeah, so for that I just need to use a column widget after this clip react. So I'll use a column widget, and in the column widget I need to use a text widget here again. So I'll copy this text widget, we'll simply paste it something over here, and we'll just write a name, and I'll just paste my name, which is Shivam Gupta. Yeah, and here I'll just write black. Rather than passing a complete black color, we can pass some shade of a black color, and we can use like this. And rather than bold, we can use W500. I guess it is okay. We can decrease the font size up to 18, and we need to bring at the top, so I need to be write a cross axis alignment dot start, something like this. Now we can pass a space. You can use size box width 20.0, something like this. Here it is done, and here you can see the username. Now we can show the comment that he have added. So here I'm going to use a text widget. Will simply paste, and what comment I should write? Yeah, we will surely visit that place. Yeah, we will surely visit that place. It's awesome. Yeah. So here you can see the text, but there will be a chance that the comment will be very long. So to handle that case, first I need to pass a cross, so that cross axis 11 dot start, and here I'll just pass a different color of black, something like this. And here I just need to wrap up with a container widget, and I'll just provide a space which is media query dot of context dot size dot width divided by 3, so that I don't see the overflow pixel error, something like this. And here you can see the user image, the username, and the comment he has added. So this is how we can simply show that. But if you want, you can do some more thing. Like if you want to, you can pass a decoration, a box decoration. You can pass a colors dot white. Yeah, you can simply pass one more thing, that will be, I hope it is okay, padding agency dot all. Let's pass up to 8, I guess. And here we can simply see the container clearly by passing a material widget. We'll pass elevation 3.0, copy the border radius, we haven't passed that, so we'll write border radius dot circular, and let's pass 10. Now we need to copy this border radius. We'll simply paste it something over here like this. Yeah, so here you can see the name, not a name, a comment that we have added. Now once we have shown the comment, we can simply show the text field. So to show the text field where the user can enter a comment, so first I'm going to just create a container, a child text field. Yeah, decoration, input decoration. Why I'm writing input decoration? Sorry, input decoration will be in text field. So box decoration, color, we just need to pass the color, which will be colors dot white. So I'll just write colors dot white, something like this. Now in the text field, I just need to write a decoration, input decoration, border, input border dot none. Yeah, so here you can see the text field, but I need to bring a text field something over here, so that I can provide the enough space. But I will handle that case when I will get a data from the Firebase, so don't need to worry about that. So I'll pass the height 20.0, something like this. Yeah, now here what I'm thinking, that let's provide a border. So I'll pass a border dot all, not over here, which will be border dot all, and we'll pass like, so here you can see the border. We can pass the colors dot black, and let's pass 45, I guess it is okay. And we can also pass a width. We'll pass the width like 2.0, something like this. Now here I can use a border radius, so I'll just pass a border radius, which is border radius dot circular, and we'll simply pass a 10, something like this. Now here you can see the text field. Now I can simply show the hint text also over here. So to show the hint text, I will do one thing. What I'm going to do is that here I will just write what I'm going to write in here in the inside input decoration hint text, and in the hint text I'll just write like enter comment, write a comment. Why to write a comment, something like this, and use dot. Yeah, so this is it. And here I can simply pass a padding, so just write padding agency dot only from the left 20.0. Yeah, so here it is, and the user can simply write a comment and can post the comment, but there is no button to show that post thing. So let's create that button. So here I will do one thing. I will use a row widget. Yeah, we'll use a row widget, something like this. Now you will see that there will be a error, I'm sure that. Yeah, so for that I just need to use a expanded widget over the container, so that I can tell the container like how much space he need to use. So I'll just pass a expanded widget. Now you can see the text field. Now here I'm going to just write in container decoration, a box decoration. Now the color will be simply colors dot blue. Yeah, and here I'm going to simply pass a child. Now the icon will be icons dot colors dot white, icons dot icons dot send, and then the color will be colors dot white. Yeah, so here you can see this, but we need to pass a size box width 10.0. I need to also increase the height of an container. So for that I will use a padding agency.all, and let's pass 5 first, then I will increase the size of an icon. So let's pass size 30.0 will be okay, I guess. I hope it is okay, and we'll pass 8. It is okay, and here I can use a decoration. Decoration is already passed. We'll use a border radius dot circular, and let's pass a 10 over here. So here you can see that I've simply added a button to post a comment that the user will simply write over here. Yeah, so now let's add a complete backend to this page. So first I'm going to use a text editing controller to handle a text. You already know that I've used many times before. So I'll write controller equals to new text editing controller, something like this. Yeah, now once we have done this thing, we need to simply add our first comment in that post. So what I'm going to do, that here you can see the post collection, a specific document ID, and this is a field. Now here I'm going to create one more collection, which is a comment, and in this comment collection I'm going to simply show all the comment that different user have done, right? So for that I need to do one thing, like here I just need to wrap up with a gesture detector, and in the onTap method first I need to get a user image and his name. So I'll use a string over here, and first I get the user name. So I'll write user name and a user image, so that I can simply show the user image and the name, as you can see. And we'll just write a comment, and we'll simply call all this thing, which is user image, and this dot user name. Yeah, something like this and something like this. Yeah, here it is okay. So now what we can do is what is that? So here I will just create a map, and in the map I'll just write a string dynamic, and we'll just write add comment is equals to, and here I'll just pass my image. So I'll just write user image, and not my image, a user image who is commenting on this post, and we'll just write username. Sorry, we don't need to write like this, sorry for that. Widget dot username, sorry, username. Now we need to simply pass, sorry, user image and the username, widget dot username, something like this. And now I need to simply show the comment. I hope I pass a controller. No, so controller, and I need to just pass comment controller. I need to add a comment, so I'll write comment, something like this. See, comment controller dot text. Yeah, now once we have done this thing, now we need to simply add a comment to the respective post. So we need to move to database.dart file to write our function to add a comment here. So write add comment here, comment, and here I'll move to the respective post. So I'll write exact collection name, which is post. We'll move to the ID, which is this ID. Yeah, and here I'm going to create one more collection, which will be like comment, and here I'm going to use a add method, something like this. Yeah, here it is done. Now here in the comment I need to also get a post ID, and we'll simply pass this dot post ID, something like this. Now once we have done this thing, we can pass a async await database methods dot add comment. We'll pass the map name and the post ID, which is widget dot post ID. Yeah, so this will simply add a comment over there. So let's test this, like how it is going to work. Why we are facing the error? The error is because of this. So let's move to the home page first, and let's add execution for this. Where we have shown the comment here, over here. Yeah, so we'll wrap up with a gesture detector, and in the on tap method I will just pass like navigator dot push, and we'll push the user to the comment page. So I'll just write material page root. We'll pass a context, and in the context I'm going to simply push the user to the which page? Add page, right? So I'll just write add page. Sorry, not add page, a comment page. A comment page, comment, and here I'm going to simply push the user to the comment page. I hope that we make one mistake, like don't write a comment over here, because there will be some function named comment. So we need to simply rename a symbol, and we'll just write comment page over here, something like this. And now I can simply use a comment page over here. So I'll just write a comment page. Now I can pass a user image, so which will be the image of a user, his name. So I'll just pass the name and the ID, which is a post ID. So I'll just pass ds.id. Yeah, now we'll simply hot restart the app again, and I will simply tap to this comment, and will simply move to that respective section. I hope that it should work. I think so. There is a problem, which is .html. So we need to remove this .html. This is like a bug that we need to remove, and here we'll simply hot restart the app again, and let's test the app again. So here I'll click to this, and we'll simply move to that comment page, and simply add a first comment like wow, it is great. Wow, it is great. And we'll simply send the comment. Yeah, so once the comment is sent, I need to simply blank this comment section. So for that I need to do one thing, like in the comment page I can like do one thing, which is comment controller.text, and we'll need to just make it space, so that I can simply blank it down once it is sent, and we can use a set state. Yeah, so let's test this, and we'll simply refresh this page first. And here you can see the post, the ID that I have used, the comment collection as you can see, and the specific doc ID. And this is a comment that I've just added from the app, which is wow, it is great. And you can see that it is working brilliantly, and we can add our first comment over there. Yeah, so once we have added all the comments, I need to simply show the comment in our add comment page. So for that I need to use a stream builder here again. So for the stream builder I will do one thing. Why to write the thing again and again? So I'll move to the home page and just copy this top function from here, and will simply paste it over here, and I'll just rename the function name to add all comments. And here I need to just create a stream, which is a comment stream, and we'll simply call this stream over here. So I'll just write a comment stream, something like this, call the document snapshot, and here I'll just pass all the brackets and all, so that I can simply execute all the things. I think so, rather than writing this thing, Let's call this, otherwise you can't fix the bracket and all, it will simply throw the error. Like if you want to write a code again, then you can do that, but I want to simply paste it, so I've tried to simply paste it. Yeah, so I'll just write a comment stream over here, and I will rename the function name to all comments, and here I'm going to simply copy that I've just made for the UI, which is this one, which is this one, which one, material widget one. So we'll copy this, we'll paste it something over here, where over here, up to here it is, I guess. Yeah, it's okay or not, I think so, it's not. Yeah, here it is done. Now let's write a function to call our comment stream from our database.dart file. Yeah, so here I will just get all the details from the snapshot that we have passed. So we'll copy this, we'll paste it over here, we'll write get comments. I'll move to the post collection, and I need to move to the specific ID, so I just pass a string ID so that I can move to the specific post ID. So I'll just write doc id dot collection, and in the collection I'll pass the respective collection. So the respective collection is comment, which is this collection, as you can see the comment. Now once we have moved to this, I'll pass dot snapshot. Yeah, it is okay. Now let's move over here. I will just pass that function, so I'll write get on the load function over here. I'll just pass async comment stream equals to await database methods dot get comments, and here I'm going to pass the ID, which is a post ID, something like this, and we'll pass a set state, and in the init state I can simply pass get on the load function, something like this. Yeah, so here it is, and here it look good, I guess. A comment stream, yeah, all comments, something like this. I hope it is clear. Now we need to pass a network, and we need to call all the details from the Firebase. So here I'll write ds, and we need to pass the user image first. So we'll copy this user image, we'll paste it something over here, and we need to show the user name. So we'll write ds the user name, which is this name. Again copy this, paste it over here, and we need to get his comment. So write ds and a comment, which is this comment. So copy this, paste it over here. Yeah, so here it is, and now we can simply call this function, which is all comment, where over here, which is over here, all comment, and I can simply wrap up with a container, and I can pass enough height so that I can move this text field over here. So I'll pass height media query dot of context dot size dot height divided by 1.2, no 1.5. you can set it according to your need. Yeah, 1.4 is okay. Now here I'm simply hot restart the app again, and we'll click to this comment icon, and we'll move to the comment page, and here you can see that this is the post, not a post, a comment that I've added from this comment page, and this we have successfully get from the Firebase. Yeah, so here it is done, and we have added all the things for our comment page, and we can see our first comment over here. Yeah, so let me add one more comment, like yes it is great, yes it is great, we must visit. Yeah, so I'll simply send this, and here you can see that comment has been added successfully. Now here I can simply do one thing, I can wrap up with a container. We can pass a margin and insert dot only. From the bottom I need to just pass 20.0 which will be the enough space. Yeah, so here you can see the first comment and a second comment. Now here I can add some more comment like, wow, what a app it is. Yeah, so this is the third comment, and well, we'll move back and we'll move to the comment page and we can simply see all the comments. So this is the comment page I have done, and still you haven't hit that subscribe button till now, then what you are waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and show your support and be a part of this awesome Flutter family, right? So now I'm going to simply speed up the things. So here in the top places page, will simply move, and here in the top places you can see that I have added some of the backend for our top places page. So here I basically want that I've told you that when the user will simply press to this Dubai, then they will get all the posts related to Dubai. Same for India, Mexico and France. Yeah, so this was the reason for creating our top places. Now here, once the user will tap to the Dubai like this image, then they will simply move to the post places page. So let me show you what I have simply shown in the post places page. In the post places page, there is just a simple thing that you already know that, because we have already used a shared preference, a stream builder, a snapshot, how to simply get all the documents from a respective collection. Yeah, so that's why I've simply created one post place, and here I'm getting a simply the place that the user have select. So for an example, if the user simply select Dubai, then the place will have Dubai. Same for India. Now in the string name image ID, I am simply getting all the data by using shared preference, and here you can see that in the all post function I am simply creating a stream builder and a place stream. Now in the place stream, what I am going to do is that here you will see that I have written this get post place function, and in the post I am going to simply match the city name. So the city name, as you know that when the user will add a post, they are going to add a city name. So that's why I have added a city name there in the post page. So for example, if they simply post and in the app for a Dubai place that they have visited, I mean the traveler, then the city name will be set to the Dubai, and here it will simply match that when the user will type that if there is any of the post that simply match with Dubai, then we are going to simply show that in the post place dart file, right? So that's why I've simply created this dart file, and here, so for an example, if I will click to Mexico, then here you can see that in the this is a post place dart file, and here you can see that the name of an page has been shown according to the place I select. I have selected Mexico, then it simply shows me all the posts related to the Mexico over here. So this is the use of our top places page over here. I hope it is very clear. And here these are all the same things that we have done to show a post that we have done in our home page. Yeah, so this was a simple thing. Now let's move back to the home page, and in the home page here you can see the search bar. Now in the search bar, as you can see that user can simply search their destination like they want to simply visit, right? Now here, so for an example, if they will simply search for Mexico, and here they will search Mexico, then it will simply show the Mexico location over here. Now the reason behind it, from where it going to simply show the location, I will show that what I have done in the Firebase. So let's move to the Firebase, and here you can see that I've simply created a location collection, and here I've simply added the location that I want to show, and here you can simply add that in the Firebase like a Mexico, the Mexico image and the search key. So the search key, let's move to the home page first. As I have added a search bar like many times, like 9 to 10 times before in my most of the series, so I don't want to simply show the complete process of the search bar. So this is the code that we have written for the search bar over here, and here you can see that I am simply getting a data from the search function. So I have simply written a search function. So in the location I am going to simply search pass a search key, and for an example, if I will write MO here, then it will show me all the location that will start from M. So this is the advanced searching feature that I have simply integrated in the app. Yeah, so these were all the things that I have done. Yeah, in our home.dart file, as you can see, this is a search function that I have created and a bool search, and here when you will move to the search bar that we have passed, so where the search bar we have passed, here you can see the search bar, here you can see the text field. I've simply passed a text field and a controller so that I can handle a text that the user enter on the text field, and in the onChange function I've simply passed this case so that the initial search function will be simply called and we can simply search the respective places, right? So these are all the things, and here you can see that I've written this function to simply pass a search. You can simply pause a video and can write a code, because I'm simply showing you all the code that we have simply passed in the search function. And if you want to simply get a source code, I will simply provide the link in the description box. You can simply get it from there. Yeah, so we have made a complete app from the scratch, and you have added one more app to your app bucket list. But now if you want to add some more apps to your app bucket list or in your resume, then I will simply provide you the playlist, because as I've told you, I've already made 10 to 13 apps before on this channel, so you can follow them and can get to know lot more about the Flutter and the Firebase. Now if you haven't hit that like button till now, then what you are waiting for? Because now our app is also completed, and this is our travel app series that I've simply brought for you all. And hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of the upcoming videos we upload on this channel, as I'm going to plan some more interesting series that I will bring on this channel. So until then, keep coding, keep having fun. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.